Hello students, welcome back in the subject EVS. Dear children, we are learning all about animal shelters. Am I right? Yesterday we have learned about the shelters of birds, rats and mice, correct? So today we are going to learn about the animals who live in the ready shelters. Okay, so what is our today's point? Animals that find ready shelters in the surrounding. So what is mean by ready shelter? They don't build their own shelters. They are finding shelters of other animals, or they are finding the places where they can live in. Okay, so we are going to see about such animals who are finding ready shelters to live in. Okay, so children, first we are going to see about pigeons and doves. Pigeons and doves, mostly they are living in the forest. You may find pigeons and doves in the forest. And also they are finding the places in the small hollows in the high cliffs. High cliff means what? The very high area of the mountain or high area of any land. Okay. In the rock you will find doves and pigeons finding their shelters. They are finding their shelters mostly in the hollows. Hollows means what? The empty space in that they can live inside. Okay, hollow space they are finding to live in. So they are living in the rocks. Also you may find pigeons and doves near your houses. They are finding places near our houses in the gaps of the wall. Okay, mostly you may find in the old houses, old buildings where they will find gaps in the walls. They are living inside that gap. Let's concentrate on tigers, leopards and hyenas. Tigers, leopards, hyenas mostly living in the forest. You will find these animals in the forest. And what is the name of their shelter? You may find these animals living in the caves. Okay, so what is the name of this shelter name of this animal? Caves. Okay, so they don't build caves. Caves are ready shelters for them. So just they find out the caves to live in and they live in the caves. Let's see about bats. Bats are the animals, and these animals are living in tall trees. Where? Tall trees. And you will find these bats in the dark caverns in mountains. What is mean by dark caverns? You will find this picture in the video just now. Okay, dark caverns in the mountains where there is very dark place in the mountain. There you will find these bats are living inside. Okay, or they may find the shelter in the old deserted tumble down buildings. So they can find their shelters in the buildings which are old. Means no one is using this area. There they are finding their shelter. These are the ready shelters for these bats. Okay, what is it? It is ant hill. In the video you may find this picture, ant hill. This is ant hill, and in this ant hill it is believed by people that cobras are living. Okay, cobras are living in the ant hill, but it's wrong. Okay, cobras don't live in the ant hill. This is the shelter of ants and it is made by ants. Okay, ants live in the ant hill, but cobras, they don't live in the ant hill. They are living in the holes. They are living in the hole. Let's see the shelters of domestic animals. Children, you know that when people keep domestic animals at their houses, they build shelters for these animals. So these animals, they no need to build their own shelters. We people are making shelters for them. Let's see such animals. Here first animal is hen. Hens, they live in the coop, or we can call as hen house. Okay, what is the name of the shelter of hens? Coop or hen house. We build this coop or hen house, correct? Next, cows. We keep cows at our house and we build separate cow shed for cows. Okay, so what is the name of the shelter of cows? Cow shed. Cows, cow shed. Then horse. Horses live in stable. So what is the name of the shelter of the horse? Stable. So we build this stable for horses. Okay, so from this lesson you may understand that the animals who are not building their own houses but they live in the ready-made houses. Ready house. This is your homework for today. Hard words. You have to learn these spellings and you have to write it one time in your notebook. Repeat it after me. Doors, pigeons, forest, hollows, high cliff, leopards, hyenas, caves, dark caverns, mountains, ant hill, chicken coop, cow shed and stable. So you have to write these words in your EVS notebook one time. So your homework one time. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.